Welcome back. Today, we are diving into a concept that's absolutely crucial for understanding why our appointment booking system is so effective. We are going to talk about the bias pyramid. Now, you might be wondering what's the bias pyramid? Well, it's a way of looking at your potential customers and understanding where they are in their buying journey. Let's break it down. At the top of our pyramid, we have got about 5% of the people who are in buy now mode. These folks know they have a problem and they are actively looking for a solution and they are ready to make a decision right away. Just below that, we have got about 10% of the people who are open to solutions and they are aware of their problem but they are considering their options. Next, we have got a larger chunk, about 25%, who aren't even thinking about it. They might have a problem, but they are not aware of it yet. Then we have got another 35% who don't think that they are interested. You could tell them about your amazing solution or your offer, but they'll just shrug it off. Finally, at the bottom, we have got the last 25% who are definitely not interested. No matter what you do, they are not buying. Now, let's bring this to life with a real world example. Imagine you are a fitness coach specializing in weight loss programs. Here is how the bias pyramid might look for your potential clients. At the top, we have got the 5% people who are in the buy now mode. These are the people who have just had a wake up call. Maybe they couldn't fit into their favorite outfit or their doctor warned them about their health and they're ready to actively search for a fitness coach, ready to start immediately. Then comes the open to solution, the 10%. This group includes people who have been thinking about losing weight for a while now and they're researching about different methods and considering working with a coach but haven't made a firm decision yet. Then we have the people who are not thinking about it. These people might be carrying some extra weight, but they are not actively considering it as a problem. They're not looking for solutions because they don't think they need one yet. Then we have the don't think that they are interested group. This group might see your ad for fitness coaching and think that's not for me. I can lose my weight on my own if I really wanted to. Then we have the people who are definitely not interested. These people are either completely satisfied with their current fitness level or have no interest in working with a coach under any circumstances. Now, here's the key. Traditional marketing often tries to reach everyone from the top three categories. They might offer a free weight loss guide or a free meal plan to anyone who'll take it. But think about it. Is someone who's not even thinking about losing weight likely to become your client even if you give them a free guide? On the other hand, our appointment booking system focuses solely on that top 15% buy now and open to solution group. We are creating ads and landing pages that speak directly to people who are actively looking for a fitness coach or seriously considering one. You might be thinking, but wait, if we are only targeting 15% of the market, won't we run out of people to sell to? Trust me, I hear this all the time and it always makes me laugh. Let's do some quick math. Let's say you are in the digital marketing space. In the UK alone, there are over 5.9 small businesses. If we are targeting the top 15, that's still 885,000 potential clients. That's more than enough to keep your calendar full of high quality appointments. Here is why this matters so much. It's incredibly difficult to sell to someone who doesn't know they have a problem. But when you are talking to people who are already in the buy now mode or open to solution, that's when the magic happens. So as we move forward in this course and start building funnels, crafting offers and running ads, I want you to keep this bias pyramid in mind.